DK Shivakumar's wobbly bicycle ride to Karnataka Assembly. Watch a video of Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivakumar falling off a bicycle at the steps of Vidhana Sabha in Bengaluru has gone viral on social media on Tuesday. The clip shows Shivakumar, dressed in a polo shirt and track pants, losing his balance just as he attempts to park his bicycle, tumbling directly onto the steps. Security personnel and others nearby quickly rushed to help him back on his feet. The incident happened shortly after the Ecowic event in Bengaluru, which was flagged off by Shivakumar along with Forest, Ecology and Environment Minister Eshwar Chandra, as part of the state's World Environment Day 2025 celebrations. AAAA Superscript 2 AAA Degree YCM AAAA Registered Trademark A Degree. pic.twitter.com Kotlikungsa Purvasing Ising Hopperva June 17, 2025. Shivakumar even posted a photo of himself with the bicycle on his official X account, writing in the corridors of power, "I chose a cycle because progress doesn't always need horsepower, just people power." During his address at the Vidhana Sabha, the Deputy CM spoke about Bengaluru's reputation as a garden city and highlighted the government's efforts to promote environmental awareness. The program, originally scheduled for June 5, was postponed due to logistical reasons. There is no such Vidhana Sabha in the entire world. Students should come and see Vidhana Sabha. All of us should come and see it. This program could have been held elsewhere, but we have organized a program here to see Vidhana Sabha. This program was supposed to be held on the June 5. For some reason, it was not possible to do it. The weather here is good. It is raining. I went to Ahmedabad, where the temperature is 40 degrees Celsius by now, but here it is 22, Shivakumar added. Swipe left for next video. Minister Chandra said the state is working to end plastic pollution and that awareness efforts must become a public movement. We have banned single-use plastic, but that has to be transformed into a people's movement. We can make many laws, but laws have to be implemented. We have to seek the support of people and just raise awareness amongst the students. Such programs will help us, he said. With inputs from analyst blogs.